Hey there YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Mikey speaking. Today I want to talk about M1 Finance and custodial accounts. This is something they just recently started doing. If you don't know what a custodial account is, sorry if I said that wrong, it's an account that you can open up for your child so you can start buying stocks for them now. Now just imagine when you were a kid, if you were starting to own stocks like Amazon, Disney, Tesla, Google, you'd be, for lack of better words, balling. But I digress. So this is a great way you can start buying stocks for your kids now. And there's really no better time because now that stock buying is all free, like before you would have to pay 5, 10, 15, maybe $4 per transaction whenever you buy or sell stocks. We have, since back then when we were kids, transitioned from paying the broker fees to no fees for most brokers. Now there's still fees when you buy and sell, they still make their money, don't get me wrong, but it's still a lot cheaper than what it used to be. So you can start buying stocks for your kids without fees. On top of that, what M1 Finance does is it allows you to buy fractional shares. So let's just say you want to do $100 a month every month, so $1,200 a year. You can sit here, actually, let's bring you down to M1 Finance. So showing you my plasma account, if you look here, you can buy fractional shares of companies. Example, Tesla's sitting at about 680 today, and I have $200 in Tesla, so 0.32 shares. And it shows you here your average price. So you're not required to buy full shares on M1 Finance. So you can set up whatever stocks you want your child to have and just slowly start putting into them. $100 a month, you can do it automatic with M1 Finance. You can deposit, you can do auto invest. So you can make everything automatic so you're not even looking at this. This would be more of a long-term investment account. So something every quarter you're going to want to reanalyze, or on the, I guess, you'd also want to take a look at it, like if you hear big news, like let's just say Teslas are taking over the world and taking out the human race because they don't like us anymore. Bam. Sit here, and that was just me making up a story, making that clear. But at that point, you may want to move your money out of Tesla into something else. That's just one example. The cool thing about custodial accounts with M1 Finance is you can manage it alongside your actual M1 Finance pies already. So just like here, you have your grab and hold account, plasma account, you'll have the custodial account as well. So it's all managed in one place if you already have M1 Finance. Now, the only bad thing about this is it is taxable. Now, the money you put in there is not taxable, but any money earned, example being dividends and stuff like that, is taxed. But it's taxed at a child's rate. So you can sit here, get with your CPA, figure out what that is, but it's going to be a lot less than you or me who are earning, one, adults, two, earning a lot of money, more than $10, $20, $30,000. So again, now's the absolute perfect time for you to sit here and open up a custodial account for your child. With no fees, and on top of that, you can do fractional shares. You can start their account by depositing $25, $50 a month, whatever you can afford. It's going to grow over time. Again, maybe you're starting it when they're 5 or 6, or let's just say 8. You have 10 years that you're sitting here putting into their stock account. And on top of that, the stocks themselves are growing, provided you picked good quality companies and bad news did not befall them. But anyways, just my opinion, it is a great way to start your child investing, start growing their account for the future, and something you can start teaching them about. You can start teaching them about why you put in money to Disney, how Disney actually pays you every so often, the dividends, why is it growing? And this can be a bonding experience between you and your child as well. Again, just something to consider. Hope you all like this video. Hope you all open up a stock account for your kids. And if you haven't opened up a stock account for yourself, links are down below telling you start investing as much as you can, whatever you can afford. Anyways, until the next video, have a good one. Bye.